Every one of us has dreams we would like to achieve in life. The more goals we have, the more we may feel we need to make a list to remember them and work towards them. Some people prefer to write these down, others prefer to visualize these. This is where the vision board comes in. What is a vision board? A vision board is a poster or pin board with a collection of images that inspire you, representing your goals, dreams, and your ideal life. It's essentially a physical manifestation of your goals. It's also one of the best ways to put the law of attraction into practice. This can also be known as dream board. You can use these to maximize your visual practice. Why use a vision board? In order to achieve your goals, it is important to visualize them. This activates the creativity in your mind subconsciously and programs your brain to notice available sources that were there the whole time but you never noticed before. Vision board is the perfect tool for this that can help you do that. Visualization is one of the most powerful mind exercises you can express. This can also magnetize you to the right sources, people, and opportunities you need to achieve your goal through the law of attraction. By having a vision board you use daily, naturally you will become much more motivated to reach your goals. You'll begin to notice you are doing things that move you closer to your goals. Step by step, how to build a vision board. Step 1. The first question to ask yourself is, what do I want? This can be regarding the following key areas of your life: finance, career or business, free time or family time, health or appearance, love, personal growth. Start off by writing a list of things you desire to have in your life. You can be as descriptive as you wish. Step 2. To get started, you will need the following: 1. Scissors and glue. 2. A blank A3 paper or a pin board. 3. Pinterest board or a paint tool if you will be using your computer instead. 4. A quiet space. 5. Some magazines, images from search tools online and/or photographs. If you feel you still cannot find pictures that represent your future, you can draw your goals out instead. Step 3. Set the mood, create an atmosphere where you will feel relaxed and in tune with your thoughts. Look for pictures or photos that represent the emotions, possessions, and experiences you wish to attract. Make sure they strongly represent your goals and that it hits an emotion you need to feel when looking at these. Pick any picture that you feel strongly as the image you would like to have for your future. You can put a photo of yourself in the center of your vision board. If you decide to put a photo of you, find one that was taken in a happy moment to help you stay positive and attract the same amount of happiness. You could find quotes, thoughts, and affirmations to add, as long as they are all positive and represent your purpose and ideal future. Step 4. Once you have picked out your pictures, place these out onto the board and decide where you feel they should go. Decide whether you want space between them or to huddle the pictures together to create closeness. You can also assign a theme to each corner of the board. You may also feel they should go all over the board. You could even turn the board into a book that tells a story. You could have one main vision board for your goals. Or you could have more than one vision boards for different areas of your life. This will always prompt you to visualize your dreams throughout the day. Make sure you have images you would like to see on a daily basis. They can be on your desk at work, or on your smartphone you can look back on. Reviewing your vision board every day will help you affirm and picture your purpose more clearly. You are destined to achieve them as your mind works constantly to achieve the goals you see in front of you. The key is to be specific and accurate on your board, so you can have more chance of achieving your dreams. How often should you redo your vision board? You can redo this whenever it feels right. You can leave a blank space on your vision board so you can accept new things as they appear in your life. Or you can replace images with new goals if the previous ones have already been achieved. Or you can start afresh with a new board. Your goals may not happen overnight. The key is to be patient, as success typically follows a series of small events and achievements that can seem to take an eternity, including a number of disappointments along the way, and challenge you to the core, your stamina, courage, integrity, and even your willingness to keep going. Remember, don't limit yourself. Dreams are never too big. We hope you enjoyed our video. If our video was beneficial to you, please don't forget to hit the like button, share your experience with us in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel.